Harvey. Oh, hello. Oh. Are you ready for this, Harvey? Are you ready for Meryl? Oh yes, I'm ready.
Why did you go back? I have done that before though. On my gymkhana. We have to go and do all the...
How are you feeling before the big race?
Scared. Before the big race?
Yeah, there's a race. Dad's getting on as well.
By the plum tree, it's that little step. Can you get that, please, and bring it in the school? By the plum tree.
Oh, here come the stable hand.